Hello guys, welcome to Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing MX2 here in Lommel, Belgium. This place is run by Nistan MX. Come on in, have a look. So here on your left we got the office where I'm sitting together with Ellen, our coordinator. We got a spot also for the team owner, Kai Hennekens. He's usually here once a week to just overview things and just to be part of the team in a way. On the right we got a small meeting room just to discuss a few things after the weekends. Can be many different things. Right here we got a small storage for team clothing, a little bit of riding gear. So moving out here on the biggest room in the building, let's say, we got here on the right a Rockstar fridge with some different flavors, quite nice. And I want to show you a fridge over here with some food maker stuff. So we have worked with Food Maker for quite some time now, and they're doing everything they can for providing us with the best and most healthy food for the riders. And for me, it's extremely important that the riders can grab something out of the fridge when we head out to trainings, and I'm always sure that they're eating healthy, and it's been a huge help to our program, and I'm really looking forward for the future with these guys as well. Other than that, you know, we got the Sprinter vans in here. We got the flight cases ready to go that we hopefully going to use later this year. And the truck here, which is really convenient. The gate is right there, you know, and we can it's easy, convenient to get it in and out. Let's just have a look inside here. This is really amazing inside. So, just moving down here a little bit. Yeah, it's basically mostly for when we come back from practice. You know, out here we have the wash bay for the vans, for the bikes, some stuff just for the vans. Yeah, this is where the cleaning is being done, and it's all we need. So now, finally coming into probably the favorite part of the whole building, where the mechanics are working on the bikes, making them new. Let's see what they're up to. Yeah, so this is the riders' room. Let's say it's a small gym where they can come and do their workout and whatever they have to do. If they have to do some intervals or just some stretching or whatever they have to do, it's a nice little room where we have everything what we need. As you can see, Kai is just doing some foam rolling at the moment, and yeah, it's a nice little gym. So guys, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, and we are really proud of this new workshop, let's say. And it's what was most important for us was that it was really efficient. You know, we don't need to have the biggest workshop, but that we have everything what we need, and that it's really efficient and well thought. And I think we come a long way, and I'm extremely proud of everybody involved. And thank you for watching.